Some weeks back I reviewed the Tasmanian Tiger pouch kit. Today I'm back with another Tasmanian product. This is their 3-piece mesh storage bag kit. Take a look at that. You can see the contents. This is a very different set, a very different product than what I reviewed last time. Without a doubt, the previous set was awesome, and this one here is also excellent. As you all can see here, there are 3 bags, large, medium, and small. Each one of these have the same features, but they are, of course, different. You have a single YKK zipper on each one. There are no zipper pulls, unfortunately. You do have loops at both sides, and on one side, you do have clips, and that's for all 3 pouches. The bottom is gusseted, so it can stand up somewhat. The back side of these pouches looks just like this. These feature YKK zippers, bug beater mesh, and T-Cover Tex, which is a lightweight waterproof polyester. And that is a material that is usually used with stuff bags, rain covers, and so on. This is the small bag here. It is 5 3/4 inches long, and it is 3 3/4 inches tall. The weight of this bag is 0.7 ounces. This is the medium-sized bag. You're looking at 9.5 inches by 7.5 inches. The weight of this bag is 0.9 ounces. And finally, everyone, this is the large size bag. You were looking at 13.5 inches by 9.5 inches. And the weight of this is 1.2 ounces. Very briefly, I will go over how I've been using these bags. This is my fire kit. I have a stove, I have a pot, a cup, I have some solid fuel, canister fuel, matches, lighter, and so on. Inside of this bag, this is my first aid kit. And also miscellaneous kit. I have some extra cordage, lighter, I have medications for diarrhea, because nothing is worse than having diarrhea in the woods, especially when you're on some big trip. It's a good idea to always carry some Imodium with you. I have a tick removal tool, so on and so forth. This is my power kit. Battery bank, headlamp, flashlight, charging cable for all 3 devices. And that right there is how I've been using these kit bags. I've been testing out these 3 bags for many months now, and I have to say that I'm very impressed here. Tasmanian Tiger is a company that has so far been impressing me. I've been testing out numerous different styles of kit bags. I've been testing out a backpack, and yeah, they do make very good gear. I've heard from many of you all who have said the exact same thing. So they do have a very good reputation. Now, when it comes to my review of this product, let's go ahead and start with the pros. First off, the value here is excellent. Did I forget to mention the price? $16. $16 for the set of 3. That is an awesome deal. The value here is excellent, especially for the quality. The quality of this is very good. The materials are good. The craftsmanship's very good. There's no issues with stitching on any of the pouches, and they have held up well with my testing. I was concerned about this mesh, but so far it has not been an issue at all. Make sure not to have anything sharp and pointy in there, and you shouldn't have issues either. For an example, inside of this kit, I do have my tick removal tool, and that is something that I have to be careful with because it's very sharp, very pointy. So I have the ends wrapped up so that they can't pierce the material. And that is something, if you have a tick removal tool or something else that's sharp, you need to do as well. Next up, everyone, I like the fact that you have these clips on each of the pouches. Also, I like the fact that you have the color-coded zippers. That makes identifying each of these pouches super simple. Without a doubt, these are extremely lightweight. You can easily see the contents of each of the bags. The zippers are super smooth. They're extremely versatile, and I like the fact that they stand up. That is an awesome feature by itself. When it comes to the cons, the biggest issue that I have with these pouches is that there are no zipper pulls here. So you have to either make one yourself or just live with it. I would recommend taking some paracord, 550 cord, making some pulls, make it nice and easy. You can also use different colors so that you can easily identify these bags just by the pulls alone. Another con would be these mesh panels. I mean, there's pros and cons to these, right? You do have to be more gentle and careful with this mesh. Otherwise, you will rip it up. Now, fortunately, I've had no issues with my use, but I have been careful with these. And that pretty much wraps it up as far as pros and cons go. Ultimately, folks, these are awesome bags. They're very well made, the value is excellent, and I can easily recommend them. And that's it, everyone. That is it. What do you all think about these pouches, and what do you all think about Tasmanian Tiger gear? So far, I'm impressed, folks. I am. In the future, I will have more of their products for review, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit the thumbs up because it does help the channel. That's a great way to support the channel. Also, if you want to support the channel financially, you can do so through Patreon and here on YouTube. Become a member, become part of the Wolf Pack. I do appreciate it. The channel here is agenda free. I'm not trying to sell you all anything. That's not what the channel is about. I purchase just about every single thing that you see, and that's the only way this channel will be. So I do appreciate the support. Everyone, take care, strength and honor. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.